My name is Urmila Nivangune. Today's date is 14 March 2022 and today's topic is thread scheduler in Java and daemon thread. This is my first attempt to make this video. So before starting thread scheduler, we will see what is thread. Thread is a small sub program. That means in one program we can make sub parts and each part get executed simultaneously. This is possible by using multi-threading, as each part is known as single thread and threads are independent in nature, so change in one thread cannot be affected by second thread. So every program didn't get output as per requirement. That means we cannot say that exact output, what will be the exact output of multi-threading program. It is depend totally upon the thread scheduler. Thread scheduler is a sub-component or very important component of JVM, and JVM's thread scheduler is used to schedule the threads. That means suppose there are 4 to 5 states. Every thread have to go in all the states. The first state is new state. When thread get created, then thread goes into new state. Then after thread get added into ready state. In ready state, thread get CPU time, and it is depend on thread scheduler. That means thread scheduler assigns some time or assigns CPU memory to the thread, and according to that thread get executed. Based on thread execution, there are two types of schedulers algorithms. First one is according to priority and second one is time arrival. So we will see both of them one by one. First one is according to priority. Every thread have its own priority, and according to standard, thread has priority in the range 1 to 10. If the thread has highest priority, then the priority of thread is set to 10. If the thread has normal priority, then the priority is set to 5. And if the thread has lowest priority, then priority is set to 1. Then according to the priority content with any thread get executed. That means highest priority threads get executed first, then medium or normal priority threads get executed, and at the last lowest priority thread get executed. Then second type of thread execution or thread schedulers algorithm is time arrival. If there are more number of threads with the same priority are present in ready state or runnable state, then thread scheduler get confused which one to pick. In this case, thread scheduler picks the thread which is arrived first. Again, there are types in that type. First one is time slicing, and second one is FIFO, that is first in first out. When in FIFO, the first arrival state get highest priority and that thread get executed first. And second one is time slicing. In time slicing, every thread get specific time, and for that time thread have to execute its task. After finishing that time, thread have to go in waiting state. This is used because there is a case. In this case, blocking may arrive or deadlock may arrive. To avoid the deadlock, we can use time slicing algorithm. So this is all about thread scheduler. The second part is daemon thread. Daemon thread is a thread which executes or which runs at the background when we are running or executing any Java program or any kind of programming language. Then every program has its one thread, that is daemon thread. When all the threads which are visible to us get executed or get terminated, the daemon thread automatically get terminated. Daemon threads execution is depends on the threads which are currently in execution. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you. आई शपथ, नाही म्हणून 6 मिनिटं झाले. उगाच वाढवलं. मला वाटलं नाही व्हायचे. दम लागत होता मला बोलताना.
जास्त असं काही नाही,
पण मला